Welcome to Know Your World of Online Education and Information. In today's video, we will know about the population of each country in continent Asia, their capital, and currency. So let's get start the video, but first,
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of the latest videos.
China population in 2020 is 1,440,222,079. The capital of China is Beijing. The name of the Chinese currency is Chinese Yuan Renminbi. ISO currency code is CNY. India population in 2020 is 1,380,004,385. The capital of India is Delhi. The name of the Indian currency is Indian Rupee. The ISO currency code is INR. Indonesia population in 2020 is 273,523,615. The capital of Indonesia is Jakarta. The name of the Indonesian currency is Indonesian Rupiah. The ISO currency code is IDR. Pakistan population is 220,892,340. The capital of Pakistan is Islamabad. The name of the Pakistani currency is Pakistani Rupee. The ISO currency code is PKR. Bangladesh population is 164,689,383. The capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka. The name of the Bangladeshi currency is Bangladeshi Taka. The ISO currency code is BDT. Japan population is 126,476,461. The capital of Japan is Tokyo. The currency of Japan is Japanese yen. The ISO currency code of Japan is JPY. Philippines population is 109,581,078. The capital of the Philippines is Manila. The currency of the Philippines is Philippine peso. The ISO currency code of the Philippines is PHP. Vietnam population is 97,338,579. The capital of Vietnam is Hanoi. The currency of Vietnam is Vietnamese dong. The ISO currency code of Vietnam is VND. Turkey population is 84,339,067. The capital of Turkey is Ankara. The currency of Turkey is Turkish lira. The ISO currency code of the Turkish lira is TRL. Iran's population is 83,992,949. The capital of Iran is Tehran. The currency of Iran is the Iranian rial. The ISO currency code of the Iranian rial is IRR. Thailand's population is 69,799,978. The capital of Thailand is Bangkok. The currency of Thailand is the Thai baht. The ISO currency code of the Thai baht is THB. Myanmar population is 54,409,800. The capital of Myanmar is Naypyidaw. The currency of Myanmar is the Burmese kyat. The ISO currency code is MMK. South Korea's population is 51,269,185. The capital of South Korea is Seoul. The currency of South Korea is the South Korean won. The ISO currency code is KRW. Iraq population is 40,222,493. The capital of Iraq is Baghdad. The currency of Iraq is the Iraqi dinar. The ISO currency code is IQD. Afghanistan population is 38,928,346. The capital of Afghanistan is Kabul. The currency of Afghanistan is the Afghan Afghani. The ISO currency code is AFN. Saudi Arabia population is 34,813,871. The capital of Saudi Arabia is Riyadh. The currency of Saudi Arabia is the Saudi Riyal. The ISO currency code is SAR. Uzbekistan population is 33,469,203. The capital of Uzbekistan is Tashkent. The currency of Uzbekistan is the Uzbekistani soym. The ISO currency code is UZS. Malaysia population is 32,365,999. The capital of Malaysia is Kuala Lumpur. The currency of Malaysia is the Malaysian ringgit. The ISO currency code is MYR. Yemen population is 29,825,964. The capital of Yemen is Sana'a. The currency of Yemen is the Yemeni rial. The ISO currency code is YR. Nepal population is 29,136,808. The capital of Nepal is Kathmandu. The currency of Nepal is the Nepalese rupee. The ISO currency code is NPR. North Korea population is 25,778,816. The capital of North Korea is Pyongyang. The currency of North Korea is the North Korean won. The ISO currency code is KPW. Sri Lanka population is 21,413,249. The capital of Sri Lanka is Colombo. Sri Lankan currency is the Sri Lankan rupee. The ISO currency code is LKR. Kazakhstan's population is 18,776,707. The capital of Kazakhstan is Nur Sultan. Kazakhstan currency is the Kazakhstani tenge. The ISO currency code is KZT. Syria's population is 17,500,658. The capital of Syria is Damascus. Syria's currency is the Syrian pound. The ISO currency code is SIPE. Cambodia population is 16,718,965. The capital of Cambodia is Phnom Penh. Cambodia currency is the Cambodian rial. The ISO currency code is KHR. Jordan population is 10,203,134. The capital of Jordan is Amman. Jordan currency is the Jordanian dinar. The ISO currency code is JAD. Azerbaijan's population is 10,139,177. The capital of Azerbaijan is Baku. Azerbaijan currency is the Azerbaijani manat. The ISO currency code is AZN. United Arab Emirates population is 9,890,402. The capital of the United Arab Emirates is Abu Dhabi. United Arab Emirates currency is the UAE dirham. The ISO currency code is AED. Tajikistan's population is 9,537,645. The capital of Tajikistan is Dushanbe. Tajikistan currency is the Tajikistani somoni. The ISO currency code is TJS. Israel population is 8,655,535. The capital of Israel is Jerusalem. Israel's currency is the Israeli shekel. The ISO currency code is ILS. Laos population is 7,275,560. The capital of Laos is Vientiane. The currency of Laos is Lao Kip. The ISO code is LAK. Lebanon's population is 6,825,445. The capital of Lebanon is Beirut. The currency of Lebanon is the Lebanese pound. The ISO currency code is LBP. Kyrgyzstan's population is 6,524,195. The capital of Kyrgyzstan is Bishkek. The currency of Kyrgyzstan is the Kyrgyzstani som. The ISO currency code is KGS. Turkmenistan population is 6,031,200. The capital of Turkmenistan is Ashgabat. The currency of Turkmenistan is the Turkmenistan manat. The ISO currency code is TMT. Singapore population is 5,850,342. The capital of Singapore is Singapore. The currency of Singapore is the Singapore dollar. The ISO currency code is SGD. Oman population is 5,106,626. The capital of Oman is Muscat. The currency of Oman is the Omani rial. The ISO currency code is OMR. Palestine's population is 5,101,414. The capital of Palestine in Ramallah. The Israeli new shekel and Jordanian dinar are the currencies in use in the Palestinian territories. The ISO currency code of the Israeli new shekel is ILS. Kuwait's population is 4,270,571. The capital of Kuwait is Kuwait City. The currency of Kuwait is the Kuwaiti dinar. The ISO currency code is KWD. Georgia population is 3,989,167. The capital of Georgia is Tbilisi. The currency of Georgia is the Georgian lari. The ISO currency code is GEL. Mongolia population is 3,278,290. The capital of Mongolia is Ulaanbaatar. The currency of Mongolia is the Mongolian Tagrog. The ISO currency code is MNT. Armenia population is 2,963,243. The capital of Armenia is Yerevan. The currency of Armenia is Armenian dram. The ISO currency code is AMD. Qatar population is 2,881,053. The capital of Qatar is Doha. The currency of Qatar is the Qatari rial. The ISO currency code is QAR. Bahrain's population is 1,701,575. The capital of Bahrain is Manama. Bahrain currency is the Bahraini dinar. The ISO code of the Bahraini dinar is BHD. Timor-Leste population is 1,318,445. The capital of Timor-Leste is Dili. Timor-Leste currency is the United States dollar. The ISO code of the United States dollar is USD. Cyprus population is 1,207,359. The capital of Cyprus is Nicosia. Cyprus currency is Euro. The ISO code of the Euro is EUR. Bhutan population is 771,608. The capital of Bhutan is Thimphu. Bhutan currency is Bhutanese Ngultram. The ISO code of the Bhutanese Ngultram is BTN. The Maldives population is 540,544. The capital of Maldives is Mali. Maldives currency is Maldivian rupiah. The ISO code of the Maldivian rupiah is MVR. The Brunei population is 437,479. The capital of Brunei is Bandar Seri, Begawan. Brunei's currency is the Brunei dollar. The ISO code of the Brunei dollar is BND. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for notification of the latest videos.